Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A41, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, don't know the pattern to. So let me quickly lock the device so you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't know the pattern. So number one, we will need to power off the device forcefully because we can't really do it in a normal means by, as you will see, if we try to power it off, it will give us the confirm to power off. So we're gonna hold power key, volume down till the screen shuts off, and then we're gonna switch from volume down to volume up while continuously holding power key. So this will go like this: press power key to light up the screen and then immediately hold power key and volume down. And you want to hold it till it shuts off. And then switch to volume up. Assuming it shuts off, which it looks like it doesn't. So let's try that again. Still didn't shut off. There we go. So touch the screen a couple times so it doesn't actually power off. And when you see the Galaxy logo, you can let go. And from the recovery mode, using volume keys, you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset and then confirm it with power key. Then select once more Factory Data Reset. And you should see data wipe complete at the bottom, and then reboot system now should be selected by default. So press power key once more to reboot system now, and lean back and wait for the process to finish. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.